I'm Mark Schroeder from GSHC Surrogacy Agency. Today I'm speaking with Greg Masler, a surrogacy attorney from the law offices of Gregory S. Masler, to discuss the surrogate side of the legal aspect of the surrogacy journey. Greg, how are you doing today?
Very good. Thank you, Mark.
What does a surrogacy attorney do?
So a surrogacy attorney's role in the surrogacy process is essentially regarding drafting and reviewing the surrogacy contracts between the intended parents and the surrogates. The surrogacy attorney also is involved after a pregnancy is confirmed in preparing and reviewing documents that will be filed with the court, which we call pre-birth order documents. So it's essentially negotiation and review of the contract, as well as making sure that the documentation that's filed with the court is proper, so to establish the intended parent's parentage over the child.
Why is a surrogacy agency important?
In my years of practicing, and I've been assisting intended parents in surrogacy in these gestational surrogacy arrangements since 2003, I find it's very important to have a good agency be involved in the surrogacy arrangement. For me, I think one of the critical things is keeping those channels of communication between the parties. There's obviously communication directly between the surrogates and the intended parents, but having an agency be able to discuss with both parties to be able to handle any issues that may come up is during the course of the surrogacy arrangement I think is absolutely critical with respect to these surrogacy arrangements. In my years of practicing, I found when there is a good agency involved, then we're contacted less by the parties over issues, because we know that the agency has been able to discuss things that come up, questions that may come up, issues that may come up, minor, major, and we're not contacted because we know that the agency has been able to help coordinate between the parents and the gestational surrogate. In working with GSHC, I found it to be a very smooth process. The communication between myself and the case managers that are working with the intended parents has been very good. I found that I get quick answers to questions that I have had about maybe the benefit package or issues that maybe the agency could have input to be able to help facilitate the contract. So I found working with GSHC to be a very positive and pleasurable experience.
I'm Mark Schroeder from GSHC Surrogacy Agency, and this has been a conversation with Greg Masler from the law offices of Gregory S. Masler. Greg, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Mark. I appreciate it as well. Take care.